Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting games on your Nintendo Switch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the homepage of the Switch, select the game that you would like to delete. Don't open it, just select it so that it is highlighted in blue. Then press either the plus or minus button at the top right and left of the console. You then want to select Data Management from the menu. Scroll down the right menu and select Delete Software. Then tap Delete again on the pop-up. Then tap OK, and your game has been deleted. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Nintendo tips and tricks.